Yeah, so guys, I got a USB 128 gig and I just want to show you guys how to install it from your Tesla without going on your laptop or your computer. Drive here, then what you're gonna do is I'm gonna open this compartment, lift this up here, and then pull out my baby wipes, because you know you need baby wipes. And down below here, there's 2 drives. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you use this drive. I'm going to use this because it's old. I'm going to take a new one out and put the new one in. Car, you want to go into security, right? And you want to go to dash cam and you want to hit format drive. You want to format that drive. Yes. The drive is formatted, and that's all it took. This is another feature called save on honk. Let's say you're in an accident or you're about to get in an accident. Normally when you honk the horn, you're trying to alert somebody that something's happening. So you can turn this on. This would be cool. So this automatically saves once that honk is happening, so it can determine and just record. But they normally record when you drive all the time anyway, but this is just an extra precaution. And that's about it. Once you put that drive in, you're done.